maximum modern constitution basically discuss the democratic matter. What is democratic matter? Democratic matter, in short, we can easily discuss the former US president. US means you know that USA, United States of America. That means America. Former president of America, Abraham Lincoln, he told democratic government means the government is of the people, by the people and for the people. That means the government, whole matter of the government is the people. Anyhow, people are the main authority in a democratic system. So, modern constitution mainly based on democratic system, or they are trying to establish democratic pattern or democratic government. So, democracy is the main motto of modern constitution. Now, how they are trying to make it democratic form? Because maximum countries, first they try to unite various region of a country. Suppose in our country, in India, various region means state. Don't say that state is means West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, etc., etc. No, this is in our country and USA known as state, but actually in political science, state means country. State means country or nation. Okay, so here when we are discussing West Bengal is a state, that means West Bengal is a region. So both are not equal. Okay, later we must discuss it in another chapter why both are not equal and what is the difference of the state and the country, that we will discuss. But unite the regions. There are various regions because we know that in India having 28 states, that means 28 regions and so many 7 or 8 union territory, etc. These are also the region known as the region. So this region, among this region, the government are making a unity. Okay, this unity is very essential. And some country, they are maintaining the historical tradition. Okay, historical tradition. Like suppose in example I can discuss or I can mention Germany. Germany, they are mainly giving the main criteria of the modern constitution. They are giving main emphasis on ethnic matter. What is ethnic matter? Ethnic matter means racial matter. So once upon a time, Hitler declared, we are the blue-blooded people. What is the meaning of blue-blooded? That means the color of the blood is blue. No, not that. Racial people, racial identity. That means we are declared themselves, German people are the highest racial group in the world. So we have the power to rule all over the world because we are the blue-blooded people. What is the meaning of blue-blooded? The color of blood is not blue. The color of blood is red. But here blue-blooded means highly educated, highly respectable, highly honorable people are the German people. So we have the power to rule all over the world. This is the racial system, and by this racial system the German constitution followed. Okay, but Indian constitution followed separate system. They have the unity in diversity by not ethnical system. Unity in diversity because our constitution paying attention of that matter, the cultural matter, language. There are various types of language. According to this language, there are various types of states emerged. Okay, so we must make unity among these various culture, among these various language, among the various religious people, etc., etc. These are the modern constitution. In this way, India trying to establish the democratic pattern by telling that unity in diversity, by telling that Indian constitution gives a provision that all are equal, irrespective of any class, caste, creed, religion, gender, etc. All are equal in our country. This is the modern system of government. Authority of a constitution. Authority of the constitution mainly written authority. That means documents, articles, etc. Now, maximum countries where written constitution prevail or exist, they are mainly the document of rules and regulations and have it with some articles. These are the authority. That means the documents and the articles which are written in the constitution, that is the authority, because according to this authority, according to this document, according to these articles, the constitution run by the government. Okay, but there is exception also. My dear student, always try when you are giving or discussing any matter, normal matter, if there is any exceptional matter, you must discuss it or mention it, which can help you to get much more marks. Okay, so here is one exceptional case, that is the constitution of UK or Britain, United Kingdom or Britain. You know that United Kingdom is very important country all over the world. It is one of the most important powerful country also, like Russia, America, Britain, China and France. These 5 countries are the permanent member of Security Council of United Nations Organization. So United Kingdom or Britain, this is very important country. The Indian people, we also ruled under the British government long years, you know that. But in UK there is no written constitution. So you can ask how the country run or rule without any constitution? Yes, that is another question. They are having so many documents. These documents and series of documents, also series of documents, there are so many series of documents. According to these documents, the government run. That means having so many customs. They are also having so many customs, tradition. These are important matter in Britain. So in Britain, though it has no written documents, this unwritten document, no written constitution, these written documents are known as constitution. So according to previous customs, tradition and documents, British government run the country. So these are known as the constitution. Now there are various types of countries, they are following different system of constitution. Now another matter of constitution, there are mode of constitution also. What is the mode? In maximum countries, the constitution are defunct. What is the meaning of defunct? That means unused. Why unused constitution? Because the ruler, they got their power by force. That means people didn't support them. That's why the authority, they got the power. That means military leader or normal leader, they got the power. When this military leader and any type of leader forcefully achieved the power, that time they do not make any constitution because they didn't get the popular support. Popular means here people's support. They didn't get the people's support, so this constitution are unused, okay, or defunct constitution. But importantly, we may mention some countries such as India, South Africa and USA. These three countries' constitution are important. Why? Because these constitutions are made for the result of various types of movement. These three countries started various movements against their previous ruler, who were suppressed them. That's why India, they have the experience. India's people, they have the experience. Same South Africa and USA, the people started movement against the ruler. Then when they got the power, they made the constitution, and according to their constitution, people are getting various types of freedom, various types of independence which are needed, which are required for their daily life and improvement of personality. So these three countries' constitutions are very important constitution and famous constitution because they made according to the movement of the people. So when the movement present before the constitution, making of constitution, at that time it must know that the people were experienced regarding so many matters, and according to that matters they wanted to remove various types of discrimination and make an equal society where all people will get equal rights, equal facilities, and make a good habit, good culture, etc. That's why these three constitutions are very important and famous constitution. Nepal's constitution is quite different because Nepal, once upon a time, it was a Hindu country, Hindu state, and monarchical state also. Monarchical state, what is monarchical state? I discussed in your previous class. Monarch means king or queen. Here I am discussing king. Then monarchical system prevailed in Nepal so many years, and from 1948 to 1990 there were 5 constitutions made by this king. Okay, and 1990s the people were agitated, that means revolt against the monarchical system. They wanted another type of constitution, not monarchical system. But you know that who are capturing power, generally, normally, they are not interested to leave their power. That's why the monarch was not interested to give up his power. So the agitation started. Lastly, he introduced a new constitution in 1990 and arranged multi-party competition system. So multi-party means, you know, various parties, not only one party, not only a single party, more than 2 parties, that is known as multi-party system. This multi-party system competition means an election system. So election system arranged or started in 1990s. And there are so many communist party members also, so mainly communist Maoist party members. So the parties member, varieties parties members, they arranged this election, and among them some wanted to remove the whole power of the king, and some group they wanted limited monarchy. That means the king must rule our country, but with some control by the people or with some limitation by the people. That's why it is known as limited monarchy. So what is the meaning of limited monarchy? Limited. That means monarchical system means, I discussed, the monarchical system means king ruled system. But when it is limited, that means the people, the prime minister, like in Britain also known as monarchical government, but also having the parliamentary system. That means the prime minister is the head and the king, monarch or the king is the naming head. Mind it. That's why, and king's powers are controlled by this Prime Minister and his Council of Ministers. So, election system prevailed for this Council of Minister and Prime Minister. King is fixed. King's post is fixed. That is monarchical system, and king is the naming head. In his name, all work will be done in his name. But actual or real head is the Prime Minister. Mind it. Real head, there is a difference between these two head. One is naming head, also known as titular head. So if the question come, what is the titular head? What do you know about the titular head? Or what is titular head? Or what is naming head? Both are same. That means the king or queen having their power, they are the head of the country or head of the state. You know, state means, in political science, state means country. Today also I discuss it. So head of the state known as the titular head here, the king. So king's powers are limited power. Actual or real power vested on the Council of Ministers led by the Prime Minister. So it is the main system, and nowadays Nepal also running through this system, through this parliamentarian system, and Prime Minister Prachand is their Prime Minister, and limited monarchical system which is not needed, which is not interested the Nepal's people, that is the system of constitution.